Hello everyone. So in this video, we're going to make some music with the help of AI. It's an open source platform. It's called Chrome Music Lab. Anybody can make music using this. Okay. So Karnik and I, we're going to use this, and we're going to show you how to create some music. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go to Google and search for Chrome Music Lab. Okay. The first link it will come up. If you open that one, you'll have a lot of options. Okay. There are like multiple things you can do here, but we'll only go through one or two. So the first thing is my favorite, Song Maker. You just go to the platform. It's very easy. Here is the highest pitch, is the lowest pitch. What you can do is simply, what we are going to do is simply is that, this is I guess too much. So, and this is like the bass as well as the, what is this called? Snare, okay. So we'll just simply add some. We'll see how the music is. I'm guessing it will be terrible. Not too bad, okay. So it will go on a loop, okay. So here you can see here, right? If you click the electronics, you can change it to different bongos, kicks, Congo. Okay, and here rather than what is this called? Mariba. Even I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, we can change it to piano. We can change it to strings. Okay. Oh, woodwind. Okay, and you can increase the tempo or decrease the tempo based upon you want. Okay. So this is one Song Maker, and the next one Karnik is going to do. Okay, so it's my favorite as well, but I'm going to let Karnik do. It's called Rhythm. You just go ahead and start making some music. It's simple. You just click start playing. So the orange indicates this color, and the this one indicates this color, and this is the okay. Okay, so there are multiple here, how to say, there are multiple kinds of techniques you can try. You can click this one and see different kinds of methods. Okay, that is one. It's easy, right? You create a lot of music. It's fun. Next one. We'll try one more, okay? Not more than that. We'll probably try this one. Spectrogram. I don't know even what is it. I guess it is the rhythm. Okay, we'll see. Oh, the pitch in terms of graph. Let's see the hops.
I want to try the bird.
You want to try the bird? We'll try. Oh, it's really nice, right?
What about computers?
This one? Computers? Yeah, I'm not sure. It's a modem. It's the dial-up modem. I guess probably you might not heard of this. This is how the internet used to work.
I heard the sounds in horror and all these things.
Okay, so this is just one of the three we have showed you. There are like different here sound waves. You can even go for voice control. You can even record your voice and go for pitch. Okay, so you can try this out as usual. The link is down below. You can directly click and go to the website and try it out. Okay, so I hope you had some fun with it. And if you're wondering why they always wear the same t-shirts in all of this video, is because they recorded most of the videos in a single day to save time. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.